I'm Chef Andy,
I'm Chef Sean.
and today we're going to tag team.
French toast. All right, we're gonna start off with the Garland Express Grill, icon driven, double the volume and half the footprint, cooking consistently and evenly every time.
And over here on the Garland Instinct, which comes in several different sizes, 1s and 2s. I'm going to actually use our new push button dial here. I'm going to be making some bananas Foster's sauce for the French toast. All right, with induction, a lot of people think that you cannot have the flame. We're going to prove you can have the flame.
Oh yeah.
Tag team French toast.
With Garland, bring your passion to the surface.